Hey guys, it's your girl Goldilocks here, and this is the last of my white struggle Christmas tree videos. If you didn't see the original video, I did 3 different designs and they looked amazing, and I just wanted to come and do like a more detailed video for you, just in case you guys wanted to see, how it came together and the decorations that I used. Now, I did have a Dollar Tree haul video, and FYI, all the decorations that I'm using in this video and the others comes from Dollar Tree, FYI. So to start out, we are going to use white lights. As you can tell, the lights are already in the tree. I have some garland here, which is red and gold, and then I have my cute little tree topper. At least I think it's a tree topper. That's how I'm going to use it. And then I have some red bulbs and some gold bulbs. Now, the gold bulbs are really shiny like this garland, and the red bulbs kind of have like a matte finish to them, FYI. So I don't know, I think maybe with like the extra shininess of the garland and the extra shininess of the bulb, and then just like my background, the light kind of did something a little funky in this video. Like, I think this tree turned out beautifully, but it is looking a little pizza-ish here at one point, so just make sure you bear with me. It does end up lovely at the end, which you'll see in the close-up. So yeah, so just sit back and enjoy. While you're doing that, please make sure you like the video. Liking the video, it helps me a lot, and also makes me warm and fuzzy inside. So please like the video. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. The more subscribers, the better. I'm so happy to have you guys here, especially if you enjoy this kind of content. This is a great way to spend our holiday season, I think. So anyway, I'm just putting on bulbs here. Again, the bulbs that are gold are really shiny. I kind of feel like you can't even see them that much because everything is so super shiny, and the red bulbs, they're actually not a matte finish, but they're not quite as shiny as the gold bulbs. So yeah, it's a lot of brightness going on in that area right there, but it is coming together, and I really liked it when it was all said and done. Let's put a few more bulbs here before we finish her off and put that tree topper right on top. Boop, there you go. There we go. All right, lovely. So let's zoom in so you guys can see how cool this looks like. It literally looks like it's on fire, which I think is really dope. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching the series, and I will see you next time.